Simply connect to this website, search for some jobs, and then use these free websites to get your job done and earn money. Simple as that. Hey guys, I hope you're ready for a life-changing video because today I'm going to show you how you can make over $400 free PayPal money, and it's very easy. This is a completely beginner-friendly method, so basically anyone can do this after watching this video. Guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. But guys, I'm going to share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profits, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts. And now guys, I'm going to jump into the first step, but only after I asked you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. Moving on to the first step of our method today, which is really genius. Guys, you need to follow me and use this method to make yourself some free money. The first website I want you guys to connect to is called latium.org. Now, this is a freelancing site, which means people come here, post their jobs, and other people, which are freelancers, come here, place a bid on those jobs, and they get the work done. But don't worry, you will not need to have any skill whatsoever. You don't need any experience in a certain field of activity. You will just need these websites that I'm going to show you right now. I discovered these methods recently and they're working just fine. Now, a thing that I must mention here is that latium.org can pay you in cryptocurrency, and it can pay you in plenty of different cryptocurrencies. You have to choose your own, and if you're not a huge fan of Bitcoin, for example, you can choose Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, but you can also get paid in US dollars as well. So right now, what I want you to do is simply click on this button, I want to work, so you can register here. And here you would just have to enter in your email, but make sure it's a valid one because they're going to send you a confirmation link, and after that, you're all set. And once you create your account, once you do everything correctly, this is your dashboard, and I want you guys to click on the Browse section here and click on Browse Projects. That will redirect you to the projects page, and here you can search for some jobs. Once again, remember, you don't need any skill, any experience in any of these categories, because now I'm going to show you a really crazy method to leverage this. So we all know nowadays graphics and design is very popular, web design as well. So the first thing I want you guys to do is click on the graphics and design category over here. And that will open these jobs, and I want you to focus on logo designs because I found one website which can help us in our efforts today. And for example, let's just click on this job over here, and as you can see, this guy will pay us up to $350 for a basic logo. So that's crazy amount. And you don't need to know how to design logos because I have a solution. Simply click on that job and you will see that in here on the right hand side, you can place your bid. But we'll come back to it in just a bit. And now this is the website that I was talking about. I want you guys to connect to freelogodesign.org. And this is a website that is going to help us today to get some free money. You can really get plenty of money with this method, and right now I'm just going to show you how. So, enter your company name over here. So, for example, that client's company name is Bush, for example. And over here, in the category section, you will just choose his category. So for example, I'll just choose animals and pets for now, and I will click on Get Started. And this will open up plenty of different templates for our logo. As you can see, plenty of them are here. Yours is just to choose. And now what you should do is come back to latium.org to that job post and place a bid over here. You will just put here like $300, and here what I like to do is to send him a message telling him that I will do some logos in advance. So for example, I will write something like, you can test me with these, I will just send you 2 logos in advance. So that is really powerful method. So we are going to send him 2 logos in advance, and we're going to tell him that we worked on it for a few hours, and that way that client will take us more seriously. And when you get the job, you will send him some more logos and you will get paid. Easy as that. I mean, this is so simple that it hurts. And now for the second step of our method, I want you guys to go to writing and content over here. So you just click on that, and here people are looking for someone to write their articles, to write their blog posts or whatsoever. And for example, the first one, he will pay $125 for simple article. And you don't need to be a writer, because right now I'm gonna show you how we can do this as well. So basically, I want you to connect to yahoo.com. And for example, if a article that client needs is in a celebrity niche or in a sports niche, you just select one of these, click on them, and scroll down and copy this entire article into your clipboard. And don't worry, this isn't plagiarism, because right now I'm going to show you a method which can make you hundreds of dollars every single day. And this is it. This is the website. This is spinbot.com. And basically what this do is it rewrites your text. So if we paste here the article that we found on Yahoo, complete this CAPTCHA over here, and then click on the go button, we will get that entire article rewritten. It will keep the same meaning, and the only thing that is changed is the word arrangement. So how cool is that? We can just send this article right now to a person who is looking for it over here, and we're gonna get paid. And don't forget, guys, you can choose Bitcoin, PayPal money, Ethereum, whatever you like. The important thing is that you take action with this, because as you can see, it is so easy. And for the third step of our method today, this is the website. This is Google Translate. And you might wonder, what are we going to do with this website? And I'm going to show you right now. For the third method, on latium.org, you're gonna choose translation and languages. And here, people are looking for someone to translate their documents, their articles, and so on. So for example, let's look at this one. This guy needs something translated to Spanish. And I know what you're thinking, I don't know Spanish, but Google Translate does, and it translates perfectly. And as you can see, $125 just for copying, pasting, and sending. So a few clicks can earn you $125. Now just tell me how crazy that is. And again, just click on the job and go to place a bid. And right here, we're gonna just write something in Spanish so this guy here can start to trust us a little bit more. So let's basically take the same article we did with Spinbot, and we're gonna translate it to Spanish. As you can see, perfectly translated Spanish language. You just need to copy that and paste it in here. This way you can show the guy that you know Spanish, and he can give you this job. You just click on place a bid, and that's it. So guys, as you can see, this is a perfectly, completely beginner-friendly method, and you don't need to invest anything, and you don't need any skill whatsoever. You just need to click a few times, and you're gonna earn money. This is perfect for monetizing your time online, and we all gotta do it nowadays because it's needed. If we don't start monetizing our time online, we're gonna be left out, and I don't want that happen to you guys. I want you to earn money while sitting at home, and I know you can do it because I can do it. So remember, take action, and I will see you in the next video.